Sea otters, scientifically known as Enhydrolutris, are among the most captivating marine mammals found along the coasts of the northern and eastern North Pacific Ocean. With their playful demeanor and endearing appearance, they have fascinated scientists, filmmakers, and wildlife enthusiasts alike. However, beneath their adorable exterior lies a complex creature with unique biological traits and ecological significance. Sea otters are perfectly adapted for life in cold ocean waters. Unlike other marine mammals, such as seals and whales that rely on thick layers of blubber, sea otters possess the densest fur in the animal kingdom, up to 1 million hairs per square inch. This dense fur traps a layer of air close to their skin, acting as insulation to keep them warm in frigid waters. Since sea otters spend most of their time in the ocean, they must constantly groom their fur to maintain its insulating properties. A clean, well-groomed coat is vital for their survival. In terms of body structure, sea otters have long, streamlined bodies and webbed feet that make them agile swimmers. Their forepaws are dexterous and strong, allowing them to manipulate tools, a rare trait among non-primate animals. They also have flat, powerful tails that help with steering while swimming on their backs. Sea otters exhibit a range of behaviors that are both fascinating and complex. They are known for their use of tools, often using rocks to crack open hard-shelled prey such as sea urchins and clams. This behavior highlights their intelligence and problem-solving abilities, making them one of the few non-human animals to use tools in the wild. Socially, sea otters tend to be solitary or live in small groups, although females with pups often form rafts, floating groups that can consist of dozens of individuals resting together. Mothers are incredibly attentive to their young, grooming and feeding them continuously. Pups are born with buoyant fur that prevents them from sinking, ensuring they stay afloat while their mother forages for food. Sea otters are carnivorous and have a diverse diet that includes sea urchins, mollusks, crustaceans, and occasionally fish. They have high metabolic rates and must consume a significant portion of their body weight in food each day, up to 25%. This constant need for energy drives their foraging behavior and has profound impacts on the ecosystems they inhabit. Sea otters play a critical role in maintaining the balance of coastal ecosystems, particularly kelp forests. By preying on sea urchins, which graze on kelp, sea otters help control urchin populations and prevent the overgrazing that can devastate kelp forests. In areas where sea otters have been reintroduced, there has been a remarkable recovery of kelp ecosystems, underscoring their importance as a keystone species. Their presence also has a cascading effect on biodiversity. Healthier kelp forests provide habitat for a variety of marine organisms, including fish, invertebrates, and other marine mammals. Thus, the protection and conservation of sea otters contribute significantly to the overall health of marine environments. Historically, sea otters were hunted extensively for their luxurious fur, bringing them to the brink of extinction in the 18th and 19th centuries. Although international protection measures have allowed their numbers to recover in some areas, they remain endangered or threatened in parts of their range. Modern threats include oil spills, fishing net entanglements, disease, and climate change. Conservation efforts, including habitat protection, legal safeguards, and public education, have been vital in helping sea otter populations rebound.